Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. Today we are solving a really interesting lead code problem, finding the distinct element between two arrays. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome coding content daily. Let's dive right into the problem. We are given two integer arrays called nums1 and nums2, and our task here is to return a list with two sublists. The first sublist should contain all the distinct integers from nums1 that are not present in nums2, and the second sublist should contain all distinct integers from nums2 that are not present in nums1. It might sound simple, but let's break down the problem step by step. For example 1, nums1 contains 1, 2, 3 and nums2 contains 2, 4, 6, and output should be 1, 3 because 1 and 3 are not available into the nums2 array, and 4, 6, that means nums1 doesn't contain the 4 and 6 elements from nums2 array. Okay, and for example 2, if we look at it, we have been given two arrays 1, 2, 3, 3, and nums2 contains 1, 1, 2, 2. That means when we try to find out the elements that are not present in nums2, then it will be only 3. But when we talk about elements which are present in nums2 but not present in nums1, that is a null array. Okay, so it will return 3 comma null. Okay, and so how do we solve this problem? First step should be we convert both arrays into sets to remove duplicates, and then we will use set differences to find the elements in nums1 not in nums2 and vice versa, and we can convert the result back into list and return. It's very clean, efficient and readable. So let's write the code. Set1 will be set of nums1 and set2 will be set of nums2, and when we try to find out and when we want to return, we will return list of set1 minus set2, and will also return list of set2 minus set1. Okay, and this will now let's try to check it, if it passes. Now I will try to run it and check if it works for both of the test cases given in examples or not. As we can see here that our code passes these two test cases, and now I will try to submit it and check how does it perform compared to other users who have submitted this problem. As you can see here that our code passes 42.92% of users in terms of runtime complexity and 41.4% of users in terms of space complexity or memory complexity. So instead of solving this problem using sets, we can solve this problem using Hashmaps as well. To solve this problem using Hashmap, we will define two dictionaries, frequency 1 equal to empty and then frequency 2 equal to empty, and then we will iterate through first array, that is nums1. For num in nums1, frequency 1 of num equal to 1, and similarly for second array, for num in nums2, freq 2 of num equal to 1. Okay, and then we will create a list, or we can call it array, that will be first array that we will be returning. That means elements which are not in nums1. So like this will be the result, which will be like elements which are not in nums2 but are available in nums1. So we will create it empty first, and then for key in freq1 if key not in FREQ 2, then we will append it to first list append key, and similarly we will define another array that will be empty, and we will check for key in FREQ 2 if key not in FREQ 1, then we will append that key into result 2. Okay, and at the end we will return result 1 comma result 2. Now let's check if it works for our these two test cases or not. And we can see that it works for both test cases, and now we will try to submit it and check if it works or not. So as we can see here that it also works. And why this code works? We use hash maps to record the existence of elements in both arrays. Then we iterate through keys in one and check if they don't exist in the other. And similarly for the second one as well. So this is very similar to set, but difference. This is very similar to set difference, but uses dictionaries instead. So that's it for today's video, and time complexity of this solution is big O of n plus m, where n is the length of nums1 array and m is the length of nums2 array, and space complexity is also big O of n plus m for the hash maps. So that's it for today's video. In case you liked the video, then please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more such content, and do not forget to comment your views on it, and let me know what kind of problem you want me to solve next, and thank you for watching. Till then, see you in next video.